What's happening, traveling chocolate pandas? Peter Von Panda here. I want to show you these chocolates. I think they're chocolates. I just received these as a gift, and they say places on a milk chocolate, and that's why I think they're chocolate, because they say it. And they came from overseas, but I think you can buy these online. And these have little pictures of Provence, 8 mini tablets of chocolat. And I think they also have like Rome and Greece and other various things you can see here as we kind of open up this package. It's taped shut here. So we'll just cut this open. And now we have what looks like postage stamps, with each with a little picture on it. They even have the perforated postage stamp edge, chocolat, Provence. So they're all little images of, I think, Provence. That's what I would assume. Nice ocean view, beautiful flowers, charming rustic neighborhoods, lots of nature, aqueducts. Pretty cool. So I know what we're thinking is enough looking. Look at that, a little kind of packaged with extra cardboard to make them look a little thicker than they are. Marketing! And here we go. Picture wrapped around a chocolat. Oh, look, they actually, I wonder if they all say what the picture is. There we go. Notre Dame. I don't know what this is. Okra, Roussillon. And there we go. We get a bite-sized piece of chocolate. Oh, looks like you could split this up so everyone has a tiny little piece of this 3x12. That's delicious. Little thin. Size of the box might make you think that they're twice as thick, but maybe that's why Europeans are so healthy. They don't eat a lot of milk chocolate. But man, that is creamy, smooth, light, and airy. Delicious. If you want to pick up some of these traveling culture chocolates, oh, I think you should. I'll put a link to them in the description. Peter Von Panda out.